why then aren't people like Julius challenging that law? Because it's a law that was written. Why aren't they amending it and putting a private member's bill to amend that law to say, if I'm standing here and gold is found under my feet, I can own that gold? Because ownership of mines is not going to be about taking mines from people who own mines. It should also be about those that discover my gold minerals where they are. If I discover platinum where I am, it needs to be my platinum. But Julius Malema was not putting that law there.
And there's a lot of minerals that are being discovered in South Africa. You look at Northern Cape, for instance. There's a lot of minerals, new minerals that have been. There was even some rumors that there's a lot of uranium that is being discovered in South Africa.
And that Northern Cape is made up of
some of those are sitting in private property. You know.
Yes, the Northern Cape has got shale gas. You know, shale gas. When they do fracking, when they put water to pull out the gas. The Northern Cape has got lots and lots of shale gas reserves. And the problem with the Northern Cape, why that shale gas cannot be put out, is primarily because the SKA, the satellite thing, the SKA